harness height position, you have 5 positions to choose from. This will make each pilot either have a push for takeoff feeling or a pull for takeoff feeling. Simply slide into the corresponding holes that's most comfortable for the pilot of your choice. Utilizing Gravity Paramotor's double capture system, you have the primary locking mechanism, and the secondary capture system, which is always with safety in mind. Moving down the harness, you attach the 2 harness connection points on each side of the frame. Pull the arm out of the seat, making sure that the webbing is clean, straight. Slide the arm into your desired adaptive comfort system position, whether it be position 1 through 6. Secure the arm, and again, the double capture system. Repeat on the other side.